Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to style contact forms by WPForm. Here you can see this simple contact form. So now let's go back to the WP forms, and now let me go back to the pages. Then click on Add New Page, and now here let's add title Contact Us. Then click on plus button. Now select WP Forms. Then select a form. So I have only one form, then let me select this one, and on the right side here you can see all of the styling options. So for example, if you want to enable title and description, then you can enable both of these. Otherwise you can disable if you don't want. Then scroll down, and here you can select the color scheme. So you will have multiple colors. So for example, let me select this one. So after that, now scroll down, and here you can see field size. So by default this is selected medium. You can also change it to the small, then large, and I think medium is okay. And then here you can see border. So you can add different border styles: solid, dashed, and dotted. So now this one is dashed. Let's go back to the solid. Then you can select border size. So for example, let me add 5, and here you can see this is immediately changed. So let me select it 1. Then border radius. So for example, if I add 22, then here you can see border is rounded. Then scroll down, here you can see background and different colors for border, text, and menu. For example, let me change border color to this one, and this one is background color. So whatever color you want to select, you can easily do. And this one is text color, then menu color. This one is for the label styles. So these are the labels. So currently that are in black color. You can select any of the color. Then you can select sublabel and hint. Then for the error message, then you can also customize button styles, and you can change the button to large, medium, and small size. You can also add the border around the button, and you can also add border radius. Then scroll down, you can add paddings and margins. You can also add a background image for your contact form. So here you can see you can add from media library, as well as you can use stock photos. Then you can select the image. For example, let me try to select one of the image from here, this one. Now here you can see background image is added. You can also add background colors. Then click on publish button, and now you can view this form on the front side once page is published. Okay, now let's view this page. Okay, that's good. Now you can add some spacing around the contact form so that it should look much better. So if you scroll down, so this one is padding 100. Then click on save button. Now let's go back. Okay, now this one is looking okay.